Good morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are, Foodie Nation. And welcome back to our channel. Today we're embarking on a truly mouthwatering journey to explore the most delicious waffles from every corner of the world. We'll also be unveiling some surprising and unknown facts about our favorite grid pattern breakfast. Belgian waffles. Starting off in Belgium, the birthplace of waffles. What we usually refer to as Belgian waffles are actually Brussels waffles. They're light, crispy, and oh so airy, with deep pockets just waiting to hold that melted butter or creamy whipped cream. But did you know? The first recipe for a waffle dates back to the 14th century from an anonymous manuscript in Belgium. And one more fun fact, Belgians often eat waffles as a street food snack, not as a breakfast treat. Liège waffles. Still in Belgium, let's look at Liège waffles. Denser, richer, and sweeter than their Brussels counterparts, these waffles are a true indulgence. Named after the city of Liège, they contain pearl sugar which caramelize on the outside when baked, giving it a uniquely sweet and crunchy texture. American waffles. Crossing the Atlantic, we land in America where waffles took on a new life. American waffles are often served as a hearty breakfast, topped with a pat of butter, a generous pour of syrup, and sometimes even a side of bacon. But here's a fun fact. Did you know that Thomas Jefferson brought the first waffle iron to America in 1789? That's right, this founding father was a real foodie. Hong Kong egg waffles. Next stop, Hong Kong. Here, we find the delectable egg waffles, also known as eggets or bubble waffles. These unique waffles are light and crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, creating an irresistible contrast. Traditionally served plain, modern versions are often served with a scoop of ice cream or fruit. Dutch stroopwafels. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Dutch stroopwafels. These are thin waffles with a sweet syrup filling in the middle. It's tradition to place a stroopwafel over your cup of tea or coffee, allowing the steam to warm the waffle and soften the syrup. Deliciously ingenious. Whether they're from Belgium, America, Hong Kong, or the Netherlands, waffles